Hi, my name is Kathleen, and I am a student at Cal State East Bay. And I am doing this video blog, first of four, for my Recreation 300202 class, Women in Leisure. I'm in Section 6 for winter of 2015. So my hobbies are very few and far between. I don't have a lot of time. So most of my hobbies consist of things that are very productive. I like doing things like gardening and woodworking, fixing things around the house. So my hobbies like plumbing is because the sink is broken, or replacing the garbage disposal because it's broken, or something like that. I do like refinishing woodwork when I get to do it leisurely, but when I had a previous house, it was really a rehab project, so it got a bit tedious. I do love gardening, however, and we do have an organic garden. So, but because I do that more to produce non-genetically modified organic food, it's kind of not even a hobby. It's something that is almost necessary because of the cost prohibitive nature of buying organics in the store all the time. So I really enjoy doing that, however. I enjoy riding my motorcycle, but even that came out of somewhat of a necessity, if you will. Of course, it's recreation, so it's not really necessary. But I have been on the back of various motorcycles most of my life. And I burnt my leg on a tailpipe when I was 10. I got thrown off a motorcycle when I was 14. Nothing major, of course. But I was always on the back of someone else's bike. And one day, about, well, let's see, roughly 13 years ago, 13 and a half years ago, I actually was on the back of someone else's bike, and it was just a lightly rainy day back in Chicago, where I'm from. And he was just doing a couple of things that I wouldn't necessarily do. Nothing dangerous, but just I would have taken more caution in him and driving. And sat there and really realized, yeah, wait a minute, why am I doing this? I don't let someone else control other facets of my life and well-being, but yet I keep getting on the back with someone else. So I really decided at that point that I needed to get my own bike, and about 3 months later I did. I have a great Moto Guzzi, which is a 1100 cc's, very formidable presence that it has, and I do only ride it recreationally, so it is rather fun. One of the biggest influencers in my life was really my grandfather, and he's the one that actually taught me how to do some of the things I mentioned, like around the house, fixing things. He was a big contributor to me learning how to be self-sufficient and independent, and not waiting for like a serviceman to show up. So I have lots of power tools. I know how to use them, and I enjoy doing those things as well. So for this class, I actually chose to build a model car. It's something that I would never think to do previously, because to me it seems a bit time consuming and a little too leisure and non-productive. So, so if you can see the model set in the back there, I chose a car that actually reminds me of my grandfather. So kind of paying homage to him in a way. So hopefully he can guide me in his spirit to finish the project. I've never been a big detail person, so to complete this project would be actually rather interesting, because there's a lot of detail in painting, and you know how it's detailed out in the actual car. So I'm hoping that I have fun with this project, and thank you. I'll talk to you on video blog number 2.